Hi guys, my name is Nasiria and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is on how I used yogurt on my hair. Yes, yogurt. And this video is going to be mad fun, so let's get it started guys. I mixed yogurt with my favorite deep conditioner, Mega Growth Deep Conditioner, which is infused with oil, shea butter, avocado oil, hydrolyzed wheat protein, argan oil, coconut oil, aloe vera juice, hydrolyzed vegetable protein, soybean oil, and so much more that I could not list on this video. And the benefits of using yogurt on your hair is that it promotes hair growth, it gets rid of dandruff, it tames hair frizz, it adds shine to dull and dry hair, and reduces hair fall and shading. And that's why I chose yogurt to infuse in my deep conditioner. I'm starting with dirty and washed hair. I haven't washed my hair in 2 weeks, so I must confess, because it's really dirty. And I'm starting by sectioning it into two so that I can finger detangle, so that I can further section it into 4, because it's easier to wash my hair in 4 sections because of its curly nature, so that at the end of the wash day I don't go trim my hair. Brown color you see in my hair because I had dyed it a year ago with henna, so the effects are still there. I'm starting by cleansing and washing the hair with my favorite shampoo, and use the Mikala conditioner infused with honey and butter to condition my hair. I'm starting with freshly cleansed hair. I sectioned the hair into 4 off camera with those cornrows, and this is actually beneficial to reduce breakage and damage to your hair, especially if you have curly hair. And with this cleansed hair, I'm starting with the last section, conditioning it with the Mikala honey and butter conditioner, finger detangling, making sure there are no tangles in there, and so that it can be easier for me to apply the deep conditioner. And detangling actually helps in reduce of breakage and growth, because now you maintain the ends without breaking them. Every single strand must stand out by themselves with this conditioner, and I'm glad I'm using this conditioner because it's the bomb guys. It detangles everything. You don't have to struggle, you don't have to go extra mile. It actually works. I think it's because of the butter. I also use the help of my white tooth comb. I like this comb because it actually respects the natural pattern of my hair. You don't have to yank the hair, you don't have to struggle, it just goes with the flow, and it actually protects the end very well. So guys, if you can get this comb for yourself, that is good guys. After pretty much detangling, now it's twisting it up so that I can move to the next section and do the same. Something I've noticed about my hair texture is that my right hand side of the hair is majority of it is greasy, so it means it's super curly and requires less products as compared to my left side, which is majority of it is a 4C. It requires more attention, more moisture, and more product. How strange is it? section, detangling it, finger detangling it, and also using the white tooth comb and making sure all the tangles are out. You can see the hair is fine. I've twisted it up. Now I'm moving to the next section where I have rinsed the conditioner out so that I can apply my deep conditioner. And the deep conditioner I'm using is my favorite and one and only, as I mentioned at the introduction, my Make It Grow deep conditioner mixed with yogurt. The hair is already detangled and it looks nice because of the honey and butter conditioner. And I'm starting with the last section, applying the deep conditioner, and this conditioner is the bomb, guys. It smells so nice and leaves a very nice fragrance on your hair. Its consistency is actually very favorable for curly hair because it's kind of thick, but only that I've applied the yogurt, that's why it looks kind of lighter. To run my fingers through the hair, it's because of the way I've detangled previously. It's actually very easy to apply the deep conditioner because I feel like the deep conditioner works best on detangled hair. As I finish, I just twist it up so that I can go to the next section and do the same with the deep conditioner. As I'm done, I put on my shower cap for 1 hour so that I can deep condition it. This is the final product after deep conditioning. There's elasticity, the shine and the moisture. The curl pattern have really popped. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family. Please subscribe if you have not subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel and see you guys on the next video. Bye.